And, you've got your load of socks here. Well, what happens if your phone accidentally falls in there like that? And then you just so happen to dump the whole load in. We're about to find out. Maybe I should turn the LED flash on first. Yeah, that's better. Ooh, nice and hot. Uh-oh. The machine started. Where's the phone? I can see if it survived. Yeah, that's what I call a phone. Okay, let's try this. Now it's on the top. A little bit more. It's not done yet. Gotta cook it a little longer. See if I can show you what it looks like in there. Oh, I can't. Can't really see it, can you? Oh, it's because it's too steamy. Okay, so now let's try not to drop the iPad in the water while I get my iPhone out. Oh, I see light. I see the light. Okay, so we just washed my iPhone with a load of socks. That's just awesome. Okay. So, life proof. Pretty awesome. Seriously, I thought we'd have learned this by now. This ain't over till the fat lady sings. Or you hit the subscribe button. Or you're going back in the washer. Subscribe button or washer. Pick one.